How to fix Stremio add-ons not working. So if you have problems with your add-ons and they don't work, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to this website here. So as you can see, if you want, you can simply pause this video and copy this URL link, and then you're gonna get redirected to this website. I know it looks sketchy, but don't worry, it's 100% legit. As you can see, a lot of users from Reddit are saying that this is working, as you can see 6 days ago. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then simply click on the install button, and then you're gonna see a pop-up like this, similar to this. I don't have Stremio installed on my computer right now, so even if I click on this, it won't show it. But if you have Stremio installed on your computer, you're gonna see something similar to this. So simply click on open Stremio and then simply install this app into Stremio, and basically this will fix your problem. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.